All right, I have some picanha steak here. I got it yesterday and I put it in the fridge this morning uncovered and it has been there ever since. So we are going to reverse sear some steak. And I am going to try some of this Redmond Real Salt Wasatch steak seasoning. Oh, it smells good, you guys. I've never had it before, but we're going to just do it all up today. And I'm also going to put some Chef's Blend smoked salt. And just so I know the exact temperature of my steak, I'm going to throw in a meter. This thing is wonderful. It Bluetooths to your phone. You just pop it in your steak or whatever you're cooking, and you can see the internal temperature of what you're cooking. So I will know when this hits the degrees I want it at. So that's how I know it's going to be perfect. Does that make you hungry, you guys? It is raining out, and who wants to go barbecue in the rain? Not me. We're going to reverse sear these suckers and have ourselves a delicious dinner. Lupper, whatever you guys want to call it. It is halfway in between supper and lunch. It's about 2 o'clock right now. 2:30, I think. We'll be grubbing in no time. My big old cast iron from the 50s. I believe it's from the 50s. Okay. We're going to use West Gold butter. It is one of my favorites. It's delicious. Well, let's get this party started. All right, so you can chop fast. You hear that sizzling? Sounds really good. I need some tongs. Look at these bad boys. These are my barbecue tongs. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look, that thing gets hot. Yeah, I don't want to go too long. It's got a nice crust though, huh? Look at that. All right, let's flip it on its fat side. I'm going to get that fat crispy. All right, you guys, just like that, this is done. Our steak is at 139 degrees. Time to get it off of there. And put it back on here for just a second. Let it rest. So,
is somebody calling me?
Yes, the steak's done. Let's try it. Hopefully it's not too well done. So let's see. This is the picanha steak. Let's get that out and let's try it.
Was somebody calling me to come have some fun?
Yes, I'm calling you to come have some fun.
Everybody out there can only see my t-shirt.
Well, how about you set it up?
I thought you were going to tell
Why
me
don't
to
you-
slouch down.
Why don't you extend the legs on that?
I can't come down to your level.
Extend the legs on that.
Hey, hi. How's
Hi.
everybody going?
Extend the legs on that. Let's taste it. This is the picanha. Let's spread the butter. You can see you. Okay. And I use the new real salt steak seasoning, so hopefully. It's beautiful. It's an offering. It's perfect for me. I was afraid it was going to be. The dogs are celebrating. I was afraid it was going to be.
They're going to tell the world about how good it is.
Right, they're spreading the news. I was afraid it was going to be like well done because I let it sit here.
They're saying it's done. Come and get it.
But it's nice and pink, so it's perfect. Ooh, still a little bloody. I like it. Okay. Give me that butter. Everything's better with butter. Mm. They're good. You want butter on there?
Well, of course. You don't want it to just sit on
Give me the butter.
the... It sounded like Melissa. So while Candy's away, we'll do another taste test.
Tell them all about it.
How about another one?
Stop eating all my steak. Was it worth the wait?
Can't help it.
I'm going to eat the fatty one.
So how'd this work out?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fast. I do like it. Because I was saying, sometimes when we have get-togethers and I have to cook something, I always have my back to everybody. And I think it'd be nice to be able to sit here at the island and actually have a conversation.
With induction.
Yeah. Well, with people, I'm not going to talk to the induction. But it'd be nice to be able to sit here if there's something last minute that I have to prep, especially for Thanksgiving, Christmas.
Quit talking with your mouth full. You sound like Mike at work.
Why?
He does that a lot.
Size? Probably because he works with you.
You live with me.
Right. He knows what I'm dealing with.
Remember that, Michael?
That's right, Mike. We fight the same battle. Anyways, we're going to sign off.
Get this cut.
Sorry. We're going to go eat the rest of our steak because it's delicious. If you guys think that you might, I can't. I got to talk. And then you're going to put your meat in my mouth. You're going to shove your meat in my mouth.
I'm going to do the office thing.
And then you're going to tell me I'm rude. Anyways,
Finish your story.
I'm going to put a link down below where you guys can get one of these. Oh, not the steak. Steak's all mine. But where you guys can get, is this unplugged? Where you guys can get one of these. See, it's already cooled off. It's nice. It's only been a matter of minutes.
Ow.
Stop it. You can't pick up your stove after a matter of minutes and have it be cool to the touch. This is pretty cool. I love it. I love it. Anyways, I think it's pretty badass. I like it. I like it a lot. So, if you're interested in being cool and wanting to...
What if you do this?
No, I want him to see the real thing. Terry, I've already showed him the damn box. Anyways.
One last time.
Why are you covering me up? The box is more interesting than me. He's like a kid. He just wants to play with the box.
No.
So, if you think you might like an induction cooker, I will leave the link down below. It's a pretty nifty tool, and I think you might like it. So we are going to sign off here so I can go eat the rest of my steak. Now you can shove your meat in my mouth. Or dirty bitches.